What's going on, people, and welcome to my studio. This is the first time most of you have seen my studio. I'm probably going to do a little tour on it at some point, maybe when I got a few more subscribers. But this is where I'm going to be self-isolating for the next 2 weeks. If somehow you haven't heard, there is a crazy virus out there that is just bodying people all over the world. We've been told to stay indoors, so that's what I'm doing at the moment. You guys, I hope you guys are doing the same, staying safe, staying healthy and all of that. But yeah, I'm just going to be stuck here for the next 2 weeks. I'm not going to be taking any recording sessions, and because of that, I'm probably going to be doing less mixes. So I got a lot of time on my hands, time that I want to be using productively. So this is where you guys come in. I want you guys to send me your tracks, send me your stems, and I want to mix them and show you how I would mix them on my YouTube channel. I would love to live stream this stuff, but I don't have enough followers, and I think it would look pretty unspectacular if I've got like 5 people watching the live stream. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take your songs, I'm gonna listen to them, give you a bit of, I guess, a critique on the mix that you sent me, the recording, tell you what I think, tell you what's good about the mix, tell you what's bad about the mix, and then show you how I would mix the track. Now, these aren't going to be like fucking Grammy winning mixes, but these are just going to be quick starting points kind of to show you where you should go with your mixes, or just give you some motivation or inspiration. So if you are interested in taking part of my little, I guess, Corona challenge, Corona activity, I don't know, then send me your stems. I've set up an email for you guys. It is stems4josh@gmail.com. Stems, the number 4, JOSH@gmail.com. The link is in the description. Make sure that your stems are WAV files. Make sure they're 24-bit, and make sure there are no effects on them. And also make sure they're at good levels. I don't want to hear no distortion or peaks or anything like that. Otherwise, I'm going to be very upset with you. So yeah. I think this will be fun. I think it'd be a great opportunity for you guys, great opportunity for myself to get kind of stuck into some mixes while I'm sat here bored. I'm trying to stay off of FIFA because I will get sucked into just playing FIFA every day if not. So if you're interested, please email your stems, subscribe, ding the bell so you can make sure you know when I'm dropping the videos. They should be, if I get enough sent in, then it should be dropping like maybe the end of this month, start of next month. Right, it's the 28th, for real. Okay, it'll be definitely next month then. And yeah, we can get this thing popping. Thank you guys for all of the love you've been giving me on the past 2 videos as well. I like seeing your comments, the feedback and stuff like that. It's keeping me going. If you want to see more, obviously subscribe, maybe share a video, show your mum, show your cat, I don't know. Yeah, I'm really bad with wrapping videos up, so I'm just going to say peace.